If you go this way, they're going to cut you down. There's a gully. Force your way through, stay very low. Okay, they'll know you're coming. There's lots of little spears sticking out of the ground here, lots of bungee traps. Okay,
Cool.
so be aware of those. I don't want anyone getting freaking, you know,
Impaled.
yeah, preferably not, please.
My M81 brother.
Okay,
I love you.
alrighty. Love you too.
Thanks.
Oh my god. Back in the day, we'd just call you Homer and biff you. Hello. You have moved. Go, 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 go!
Keep it quiet when they're not firing.
Yeah.
So you're gonna go just through the street here. Look at go thing.
Should I move up? Sorry. Do you want to move up or should I? Okay, I'll cover you. It looks clear. Hey. Yeah. Cool.
See this rise up here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go up here. You guys continue straight.
Okay. Sure.
I'm gonna try to suppress him a little bit.
Okay.
Try to suppress in the 249.
Okay.
Not a mistake.
You got it? Should I move up? Should I move? You got any eyes?
Hit. I'm ready. I think I'm hit.
Hit! 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 I had a clear viewing on them up there.
Hey, is this
You're watching middle.
flashing red?
Oh, but yeah, I am watching middle.
Wait, oh, it actually shouldn't be flashing red. Don't worry.
Good. Good,
Not
it isn't flashing red.
Yeah. So who's covering where?
I'm middle, you right.
And he's over there.
Yeah.
Are you sure that's a good idea to let them get close? We've gone having the M249. Spotted!
Yeah.
Don't die.
Yeah, you too.
So, one respawn?
Oh yeah.
And who's our medic?
Oh no, you guys do.
I'll be medic since I'm in the middle, so I can go next.
Yeah, yeah. Do you want to be medic?
Yeah, I'll be medic.
Okay.
Lucas, I'm medic.
I've got to push my mag forward so it shoots.
Oh damn.
I might be cooked.
Yeah, you'll be alright. I think I had to deal with that as well.
Yeah, but you're Liam and I'm not Liam, so I'm fucked.
Mags in!
Ready?
Ready? Lucas.
Let's do this, boys.
3, 2, 1! Alright, what's that one?
Keep your heads down. Oh shit. Watch your safety. Miss me!
Miss me, now you gotta kiss me?
Please?
Fuck. Son of- Shit. I'm stuck. Got a jam.
Watch that right. Watch this one.
I've got a jam. Oh, fuck. Oh no. Reloading.
Roger.
Oh, son of a bitch, my gun won't shoot.
Cover you. You get low. Get low. Still visible.
You want me to help me try and fix it? Let me see.
Oh, son of a bitch. Does anyone have a pistol?
Oh, you won't like it.
Let me have a look.
Thanks.
You have to rack it each time you shoot.
Each time? So pull it back each time?
Yeah.
What's the battery did?
I don't know.
Don't suppress with it. Oh, give me a mag for that.
Yeah. Thanks.
Keep your ammo.
Yeah.
Not much. There's no more mag.
Thanks, Liam.
Lucas, you're in?
Green.
You more orange, honestly. Especially with ammo.
Yeah.
And 5 power. Like, only shoot it if you have like direct line of sight with someone,
Yeah, yeah.
which is basically impossible. He likes using his ammo, doesn't he? Stay back, American!
I've got one mag left, so I'm gonna see if I can make it work.
Hell yeah! Save us. Save us. Oi.
Yeah.
You want your gun troubles to be fixed? Bless them. Bless. Okay, good.
Thanks. Oh. Oh, I've got no fucking bullet. I'll be medic, you just...
Go. He's now medic, Luca's now medic.
Yeah. Wait, I'm medic. My gun's broken, so I'm medic, okay? What'd you say? Yeah, I've got one left. Wait. Can you pass that mag at the very top? Is that full?
I'm sure.
Okay, thanks.
Feels good. I'm gonna listen to this over. You're driving on. Moving on my right. I get broken to go breaking. On my right! What are you listening to? This is way more scary than attacking, man.
I know.
Yeah.
It's even more scary because I got no gun.
Use your stick. Oh, you throw it.
I wish I...
Did that hit someone?
yeah, yeah.
Oh, they probably not calling the head.
Pretend it's a grenade, huh? Frag!
Did you throw something at me?
No.
I just throw something again.